The main thing to remember is that Malcolm is a dishonest bastard.
To be fair, he did put me in the band.
To be fair, I got you in the band by playing Malcolm at his own devious game. And now we must ally against him, lest we get shafted like Glenn. May he rest in peace.
Look, I hold it up. It just flops down. He offered to give me lessons.
Oh!
Glenn, R.I.P. I told him to fuck off.
You do realise you will need to learn to play?
Not really. How come yours sticks up like that?
What do you mean, not really? Use lacquer.
No one cares what you sound like. It's what you look like that matters. Is it effective then, lacquer?
Of course it's effective. Remember my mum's beehive? It was like St Paul's Cathedral. She kept actual bees in it. You can't be a Sex Pistol if you can't play.
You can't sing. Why should I play? Can I have some of your mum's lacquer then, please?
I can sing. Somewhat. And I don't use lacquer. It's too sticky. Can we stop talking about your hair and talk about Malcolm? He wants to change the title of my song, No Future, to God Save the Queen.
If it's not lacquer, what is it?
Can you stop talking about your hair?
Can you stop talking about Malcolm and song names and the bass guitar? You're making me nervous.
What are you nervous about?
Well, I'm supposed to be a Sex Pistol, but I can't play anything. Now my fucking hair won't even stand up.
Fucking viewers fucking vow for fucking Mars and fucking Mars. The fucking babies fucking cry, the fucking flowers fucking die. The fucking food is fucking milk, the fucking drains are fucking fucked. The colour scheme is fucking brown everywhere in Chicken Town. The fucking pies are fucking old, the fucking chips are fucking cold. The fucking beer is fucking flat, the fucking flats have fucking rats. The fucking clocks are fucking wrong, the fucking days are fucking long. It fucking gets you fucking down, evidently Chicken Town.
This is the most famous photograph of the Queen.
It's on the stamp.
That's right, darling.
You put a safety pin in her nose.
Is it for a new stamp?
No, stupid. We're taking the piss.
Oh.
Oh, Pet.
He's brilliant.
Happy Jubilee, Madge.
Clink, 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 like that.
Something reminds me of being ill.
Concentrate on the lesson, Jonesy.
Yes, Jonesy. Concentrate.
Vicks Vapor Rub. You wearing Vicks Vapor Rub?
Put it on your chest if you've got a cold. Want some?
I haven't got a cold.
Well, I haven't got it on my chest, I've got it in my hair. It's just sticky enough to make it stand up. It's his beauty secret.
Not a secret anymore.
You should try it, Jonesy. Your hair's shit.
Oh, joy. Now that Glenn's R.I.P., Steve can be butt of the air joke.
Fuck off!
Pay attention.
I paid attention. It goes plinky, 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 plink, 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 plink like that.
No, it's plinky, 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 plink, plink, plink.
No, it's no... There's no plinky, plinky, plinky. It's bam, 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 bam. Don't tickle it. Punch it. Oh! Holy shit! What the fuck? That's my guitar!
Your skull you should be worried about, not your banjo.
Ladies, please.
Shit!
That was great.
What's wrong with you?
I like it when people fight back instead of ignoring you. Is that right?
Not really. But it might actually be better. Do it again. Use that. Keep playing.
God save the Queen, the fascist regime. It made you a moron, potential H-bomb. God save the Queen, she ain't no human being. stalls.
You can see them signing their new contract from A&M Records. And on the bass guitar, their newest member, Mr. Sidney Vicious.
Hello, everybody.
If you just sign here, Mr. Cook.
We love the Queen.
There you are, Mr. Bischoff.
We're the future, your future. We're so wonderful. We made it now.
We must have
God's
What have you been sick for?
We've made a terrible mistake.
What? No, look, they love him.
This isn't love. This is appetite. They'll eat him.
wonderful manager wanted us to write a song about bondage and discipline to publicise his funny little shop. So, we wrote a song about submission. A submarine mission. He didn't get the joke.
I did get the joke.
I'm on a submarine mission for you, baby. I feel the way you were going. I picked you up on my TV screen. I feel your undercurrent flowing to me. Going down, dragging me down to me.
Sorry, this is the boys' toilet.
Nancy, it's really good to meet you. Could you guys maybe give me a ride? So Richard and I, Richard Howe, of the Voidoids, previously of the Heartbreakers. Do you know the Heartbreakers? Like where Johnny Thunders used to be in the New York Dolls. Yeah. Anyway, he decided the Heartbreakers suck, so hence, therefore, the Voidoids. He practically invented punk rock, as you know, especially the whole spiky hair thing.
Oh, please.
Anyway, the main point being, Richard and I are very close, very, very close.
Nah, Boogie, we're going to Denmark Street.
Right, well, we're going there. You can go to them upstairs.
But I haven't finished telling
No,
the
I
guys
know,
about
you can
Richard.
tell me
Driver,
later, you
could
can
you
tell
just
me.
wait?
No! Boogie's got a boogie, don't you, Boogie?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've got a boogie.
Hey, you don't need to shout at me. Thank you. Thank you for the ride. It was really nice to meet you.
So, what do we do now?
What do you want to do now?
Whatever you want. Thanks for popping in, by the way. Sorry it's such a mess. Give me 1 minute.
Sid, have you ever done this before?
Done what before? We haven't done anything yet.
Oh my God. You are a virgin. This is kind of exciting for me.
And for me.
Hey, do you want to, like, shoot up before we...
Oh, I have done that before.
Really?
Yeah.
'Cause I thought London was all, like, flow and speed.
No, my mum gave me a hit for my 14th birthday. Okay. Whoa.
The Jubilee celebrates 25 years of good old Queen Elizabeth looking down on us. If we take the piss out of the Jubilee, we become the story instead of her.
And after the Jubilee, the song's forgotten.
Our God Save the Queen will be a national anthem for a brand new country, a country founded on fury.
Speaking as an American, I find the whole royalty thing very, very enchanting.
Shut up!
I was just saying.
This is a band meeting. If you are not in the band, you are banned. Understand?
You have a wonderful way with words. Has anyone ever told you that?
I will now leave. The song is called No Future. Fuck! Lying fuck! He's only gone and called it God Save the fucking Queen!
My Nancy's a fucking queen.
God Save the Queen will get us noticed.
Cheap publicity.
No one will buy the record if they don't know about it.
I don't care.
I do. I agree with Jonesy for once. I've got to be notorious.
But the song's not about the Queen. It's about how our generation has no future.
So we made this. We made it. Look at it. It's fucking beautiful.
Well, to be fair, Glenn, R.I.P., made it. But I look loads better playing it.
No one can argue with that, Sid. Before I was in this band, I never listened to the words of songs. But you made me listen. John, I really hate to say this, but you are a fucking genius.
Would you like to meet my mum?
Do you have a cold, John? You smell of Vicks.
Oh,
This is her.
Everyone just shush, please.
You're going to be strung up for treason.
Oh, so it's not that God Save the Queen, it's your own version.
I wanted to call it No Future.
God Save the Queen. It's more noticeable. Will I put the kettle on?
Look, it's got my name on it.
Your mum and dad are nice.
Let's go round yours.
Nah.
Are you ashamed of us?
No, they won't be home.
Then we'll just leave them a record. I want to go to the Jonesy gaff.
Let's all go to Jonesy. Let's all go to Jonesy.
Look, it's just a quick in and out. Leave it for him. It's no big deal.
Are we going or what?
Yeah, fuck it.
Fucking hurry up. Hello?
I'll leave.
Might as well look round.
Hold on.
Let's have a butcher's. What's in here?
That's my bedroom.
Is this your bedroom? Narnia. Double Narnia. Blimey.
Kept this quiet, Jonesy.
Look at all this treasure.
Your mum and dad must have really liked you.
Nah, he nicked it all.
Our very own Artful Dodger.
We gotta go.
Let me have some of this, Jonesy.
No, we're just getting started. See if you want to take something.
Nick it back from you.
What's going on?
Mr. Jones, I presume. We brought you a present.
Who do you think you are?
We brought you a present.
What's this then? Christmas number 1? Well, shut the door on your way out. Where do you think you're going? Wait! What are you doing? What do you think you're doing in my house?
In answer to your question, we are taking the biscuit. Oh, crumbs. Well, thank you for your hospitality. We hope you enjoy our musical offering.
Cheerio!
I hope your dear old dad didn't find us too obnoxious.
He's not my fucking dad.
That's the spirit. Who needs a dad when you're a sex pistol?
I tried, but I could not find
Chrissy, have you ever had an orgasm?
Yes, I have. Thanks for asking.
No, I mean like a real, like a gushing volcano type thing.
Again, yes, I think so.
To be honest, if you had, you'd remember.
Everything cool?
Well, anyway, Chrissy, if you want one of those things, I can sort that out for you. Nancy says she's happy to lend me out.
Oh, hi, Nick.
Bob, hi. Great show last night.
Is that?
I'm here with the Sex Pistols singles doing very well. Working on an article about the whole punk new wave scene.
Oh, very good. Good luck with that.
Bob Harris, the most influential musician.
Yeah, I know who you are. Switchbury Bob. The old grey snipple test. If you'll excuse me. Oh, hang on. Why won't you have a song, Bob? Not good enough for the BBC, are we? Excuse me. Don't ignore me. It's merely a difference of taste. Taste? Taste this, you cunt!
Surprise, surprise. Welcome to the Sex Pistols.
You
You selfish piece of shit!
What? Stop! Stop! Stop!
I wasn't even an option to you. It's not like you want to be part of the Sex Pistols, but you knew how bad I wanted to be in a band, and it didn't even cross your mind.
What? Of course it didn't. You're too good for the Pistols.
Fuck off!
Our singer is half insane. Our manager's fully insane. He's trying to bring down the government. Our bass player can't play, starts fights for laughs, and as you've rightly pointed out, I'm just an illiterate thief who can barely fucking play. You're better than that. You're so much better than that.
Sydney, you were marvelous!
I feel great. Come on, man.
Where are you going? Sydney! You started this!
I'm taking Nancy to my mum.
Do you think I'm stupid? I know what you're doing. That shit will kill you.
Will went to your mum's, why can't I go to mine?
Harder. Go on, harder.
Hey! Keep the noise down!
Shut the fuck up. You're making more noise than me, cunt.
Fucking rude bastard! I don't think she's home.
She's never home. It's all right. My magic key.
What's that?
It's a pyjama case. Mum gave it to me for my birthday.
It looks a bit young.
Keep going. It's beautiful.
I'm not sure what happens next.
Any lyrics?
Not really. Not yet.
Seriously, I could listen to you all night and know what's going to happen for you.
I would rather die than crawl back to Ohio with my tail between my legs.
And finally, anti-monarchist punk rockers the Sex Pistols have been dropped by their record label after a member of the band is alleged to have assaulted one of the best-loved men in British broadcasting.
You've done singer that can't sing, guitarist that can't play, and now you're doing band that can't tour or record. Bravo. It's an oeuvre. This'll be Malcolm. Not Malcolm. Said she had to see you.
I won't stay.
Oh, help yourself to a beer.
I have. Thank you. So, I need a connection for heroin. And you seem like a man about town, Steve. Surely you have a connection.
Not for you, I don't. Do you think I want that shit going up Sid's arm?
It's purely for personal use.
Why don't you fuck off back to wherever you came from?
Because this is a free country and I'm very fond of Sid.
You're gonna break up this band.
Why would I do that?
You're another Yoko Ono.
Her and John Lennon. Such a touching love story.
She broke up the Beatles.
I don't like the Beatles.
Yeah, that's not the fucking point.
Why don't we take the temperature down a few degrees? My love, I need to share some personal things about Sid. Maybe have some privacy.
I'm going to sleep. Let yourselves out. Don't steal anything.
What do you think Sid attacked Birdie Bob last night?
His name's Vicious. He thinks he has to live up to it.
No, silly. He knew everyone in that room loved Birdie Bob and would turn on him for it. Sid's happiest when he's getting the shit kicked out of him.
You'd do that for him, do you?
I was choked at birth by my umbilical cord and diagnosed schizophrenic at 15. I've been kicking the shit out of people all my life. It's okay, baby. I know you want to.
Fucking disgusting.
Yeah, that's why you want to. That was nice. I don't usually give it away for free except with Sydney. Sydney's special. Shh. But I do think a Sex Pistol would be paid more. How about a few bucks?
I don't think it's fair that Nancy can't come to the meetings. She's a part of me now. So technically, she's part of the band.
Don't be revolting, Sydney.
You're just jealous because none of you have ever been in love. Jonesy, I bet you've never been in love.
Of course he has. Falls in love with all his mates' girlfriends for about 30 seconds, which is all the time it takes to fuck them. Piss off. Hey, Sid, you better keep an eye on Nancy, eh?
Sexy young assassins.
What was that? That was the sound of a door closing. But hold on. What's this? That is the sound of another door opening.
What are you talking about?
One word. Pickle.
Bring out the unique, tangy, fruity flavour of Branston pickle much more often.
Branson. Richard Branson.
Like the pickle?
No, the pickle is Branston. A lot of people make that mistake.
Hang on, Malcolm said there'd be pickle.
No, I don't make pickle.
Nice to meet you.
How you doing?
You all right?
Take a seat.
Cheese?
No.
Tomato?
No.
Gherkin?
No.
Nuts?
No.
Drink?
No.
Hey, what's this one for?
It's Mike Oldfield, Tubular Bells.
Oh, dear.
Virgin's very first release. Top 10 for almost the entirety of 1970.
I hate Tubular Bells.
Of course you do. 3 years is an eternity in the music industry, and Virgin have released nothing of great significance since. Instead of the groovy young thing,
Let's have a nosy.
Virgin's beginning to feel like the...
An old-age pensioner.
Sid. Exactly. That's why I want to sign the most controversial band in the land, the one all the old pensioner labels are too terrified to touch. The only real issue is timeline.
What timeline?
There's no point releasing God Save the Queen if we miss, thank you, the Jubilee. I need it by June.
No problem. We can remaster the single by June.
Yes. But I need an album. God Save the Queen would be the single from the album. Is that doable?
Yeah, of course it is.
Let's go.
Over the last 12 months, punk rock has become almost a battle cry in British society. For many people, it's a bigger threat to our way of life than Russian communism or hyperinflation.
Never mind about Christianity. I think it's this, well, degrading and disgusting for our children to hear and see such things.
This idea that the punk rock scene is born of social protest may or may not be true. Until they actually learn how to speak and enunciate the Queen's English, I shall be quite unable to judge the validity of what they are alleged to think.
We have had punk rock in Birmingham, unfortunately, but I can assure you, and I speak as a licensing magistrate, that we're not going to have this sort of punk rock again.
Fantastic. Let's move to the vocal.
Finally.
Wait, I've got an idea for another overdub. How about in the spaces between that offbeat, that Cookie's got going, I do these...
Excellent. Let's try it.
If the Mutual Admiration Society get tired of kissing each other's arses, I'll be down the pub.
Hepatitis?
This is not my fault. I'm not the one who brought heroin into his life. That was his mother.
Who's with him?
I told Sydney to clean the needle properly. He's quite unhygienic. Again, probably the fault of his mother.
Who's with him?
What do you mean?
Who, at this moment, is at the hospital bedside of Sid? Who, at this moment, gives a shit about him?
Well, how would I know? I'm not his mother. If you're so concerned, you should go.
Come on. I've not got all day. I've been waiting all day.
God save the Queen! We made it, man! They don't want you and they don't want me. You got a problem. The problem is you.
You stop playing the music. That's not very helpful. Halfway through.
Buddy! I'm not an animal and a key for the UK. I'm coming sometime. Might be an imitation from New York. You're made in Japan from cheese and choke.
The music fucking stopped again. What are you playing at?
Out to lunch without that lunch.
Did it? We fucking did it.
What are you going to call it? No Future.
Great name for a first album.
No, it needs to be provocative. Simply destroy.
How about... Never mind the bollocks.
Never mind the bollocks?
It's just something that hot dog seller down Piccadilly says.
Right. Hot dog seller? No, it can't.
Shut up, Malcolm. It's perfect. Never mind the bollocks. Here's the Sex Pistols.
Here he is.
Hello, Chrissy. Come about that orgasm?
Yeah. That's exactly why I came here.
Well, I'm afraid I'm a bit tied up at the moment.
You know what she is, Sid?
She's lovely.
She's a groupie. She'll drop you the minute someone more famous comes along.
I'll just have to make sure I'm the most famous then. Because Nancy is sexy. She's got a beautiful figure. She's... I wrote them all down somewhere. Check the top... Can you get the top drawer? Yeah, that's it.
What Makes Nancy So Great by Sydney. 1, beautiful. 2, sexy. 3, beautiful figure. 4, great sense of humour.
Would you give that to Nancy, please, Chrissy?
Heroin really does screw you up, doesn't it?
She's an insane junkie. Sid's besotted with her.
She's going to fuck up everything we've achieved.
Could send her back.
To Richard Hell. Or just plain hell, whichever is most immediate.
We'll chuck her on a plane with a one-way ticket to New York.
How? Pull a sack over her head and stick her in the boot of a car?
Yes?
You can't kidnap her.
Why? She kidnapped Sid.
It's illegal, Steve.
Illegal. Remind me what that means?
Sid's not a fool. If he finds out, he'll never trust any of us ever again.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
This is not a spy movie.
I agree with John. I'm out.
You're the one who wanted to do something.
You're the one who put him in the band. It actually isn't my problem. Not risking jail time.
But very few have the bollocks to be real outlaws. It's time for you to step up, my sons.
The single's out next week. We need her gone.
Hi. Everyone hates me. I'm all alone in a foreign land and you all hate me. Can I come in?
Sid okay?
I don't know. He never calls. He hates me too.
He's in the hospital. On a drip.
Yeah, everyone's got an excuse. Sneak around. I'm so hungry.
You know, you could go and see him.
I'll get around to it. I will. So Nick's out?
He's always out. He reviews gigs.
We have a lot of people in common, like Lou, Andy, Iggy, you know. Only he implied that he could sort me out.
Nick said he could.
Got me some boy, you know? Gear, H, horse, junk, skag, smack. Shit, can I use your John? It's a thing, and I shouldn't put something in, and it just slides out again. So, do you think, Nick? I mean, he is my only hope, and he did say the only person who's delivered so far is shit. More would you believe?
You know what? I'm gonna close this.
What?
Nick told her he'd fucking score for her. Now I'm stuck with a fucking junkie thesaurus. If you want to stick a bag over her head, come and do it now. Because if you don't kidnap her, I will murder her. That's actually my bed.
How do you know?
That it's my bed.
You always know the right thing to do. You go to the hospital. You make the toast. I always have to figure it out, and then I still get it wrong. I just thought Sid would be fun. Sid Vicious. But he's just a sweet little kid, isn't he?
He can be sweet. How old are you?
19. I never expected to fall in love. And he doesn't love me back.
Yes, he does.
How would you know? If a person loved you, how would anyone know? The world is so full of bullshit. Why is it so easy to tell when someone hates you and so hard to know if they love you? What's that?
It's something Sid wrote.
Read it to me.
I think it's private.
I can't face them, girls. Can I crash?
No, it's me.
I'm cold.
What Makes Nancy So Great by Sydney. 1. Beautiful. 2. Sexy. 3. Beautiful figure. 4. Great sense of humor. 5. Makes extremely interesting conversation.
That is true. People do say that. Keep reading. Read the story.
6. Witty. 7. Has beautiful eyes. 8. Has fab taste in clothes. 9. Has the most beautiful... something quite personal.
Story.
10. Even has sexy feet. I knew feet were mentioned. 'I shouldn't have mentioned it. She's fine. She's asleep.
Oh, she'll be pleased to see us. Yeah, hello, Nancy. Bought you a present.
Finally. Are we going somewhere nice?
Mm-hmm. Going home, Nancy.
It's at 6 a.m. She can check in an hour.
I'm not hanging around with that for another hour. Does it have to be New York? I mean, it doesn't matter where she goes, as long as she goes.
We'll take the New York ticket. This is a passport. She's just, saying her goodbyes and stuff.
Yes.
Wait!
Whoa, Nancy, this...
You were so kind. So kind. No one was ever kind to me before.
Mirrors on the ceiling, they pink champagne on ice. And she said, we are all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chambers, they gather for the feast. They stab it with their stealing eyes, but they just can't kill the beast.
Real talent.
Ricky.
Sorry.
Look at this!
Yes, there he is! Yes!
Nice to have you back, Sydney.
Can't find Nancy.
I haven't seen her. Steve, do you know where Nancy is?
Me? Yeah, actually, I do. Sorry, mate, she went back to the States.
What, without saying goodbye?
Birds, what can you do?
Mates are what count. You've got us. And we are the Sex Pistols, with a single rocketing up the charts and an album out very soon.
Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Is it still too late to go into the studio?
Oh, yeah, it is. Don't worry, I took care of that, too.
Too?
Well, I mean, I did the bass. Sounds great. Done it?
Oh, yeah, it sounds really, really good.
Steve's got your back. Haven't you, Steve?
Yeah, we all do.
The Eagles, number 13 in the States this week, number 12 over here with Hotel California. At number 11, the Sex Pistols with the
Number 11, they'll definitely play it. Shh.
And the Little Ladies rock group are up 3 places to number 10.
They fucking skipped it.
No!
Skipped it.
This I expected. They're too frightened to play God Save the Queen, lest insurrection rise up and storm the palace.
That DJ cunt needs a bit of the old Bob Harris treatment, the fucking glass. And...
Oi, dickhead, sit down.
Looking well, Sid.
The number 11 who still didn't play us. I have to take matters into my own hands.
Oh, no, stand down, Sydney. God Save the Queen, the new national anthem for this blighted nation, shall very soon be number 1. And when that happens, radio will have to play it.
How will we get to number 1 if they won't even fucking play us?
Your manager has a scheme.
Oh, no.
One will make you unignorable.
She's back! She's fucking back! She must have just decided to come back. Nancy!
She never decided to go.
What? John.
Steve pumped her full of drugs, kidnapped her, and stuck her on a plane.
John! Sit. Wait!
Paul, help me! Sid, listen. It was all Malcolm's fault. Steve's only sin was that instead of thinking for himself, he followed Malcolm like a lost sheep, just like he always does. Ain't that right, Steve?
Fuck you, Johnny.
I just hope that from now on, we stick together and don't trust Malcolm.
Sydney. Yeah, fuck Malcolm. Fucking. Nancy! Nancy!
You're a cunt, John. No. I'm right.
Nancy!
Now play. Come on, play.
Come on, boy. Come on.
Easy
this?
Here we fucking go.
You're all a bunch of bastards. Bastards.
You're a rascal.
Never leave me, Sid.
Bunch of Queen minions.
Now do you think we'll be number one?
Hey, we fucking better be.
There she is.
What's on the other side?
Sorry for just turning up. I just really needed. I wanted to play music with you. I mean music. You won't believe what happens on the boat tonight. Fuck me. Nancy is back. Viv and Malcolm got arrested. Shit, I don't even know if we got a number one.
You did.
Really?
And they still didn't play you.
Those fuckers. Look,
Steve, I can't. I can't keep pretending that there's someone or something standing in the way of what I need to do. I gotta find my own voice.
I didn't like you much anyway.
I didn't much like you either.
You think it's wrong. I can tell.
See you on stage, Chrissy Hind.
How can I explain when you don't want me to? Oh, kid, my only kid, you look so small, you've gone so quiet. I know you know what I'm about. I won't deny it. Oh, but you forget. You don't understand. You turned your head. You dropped my hand.